This is a brand from Allied Air Enterprises, which is a part of Lennox International, and they are sold through authorized dealers in the USA. The units feature their MHT technology, which includes rifled tubing to enhance refrigerant flow and lanced fins for more surface contact between the coil and the air, which maximizes the heat transfer to maintain a compact unit at higher efficiencies. They use louvered panel construction, which provides superior protection of the condenser coil from hail and other mechanical damage. They are field convertible between horizontal and down flow and have a drain pan float switch that shuts off the unit if the condensate drain gets clogged. This prevents damage to interior spaces from condensate dripping down from the roof. The units use R-410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R-32. The heat exchangers use aluminized tubular construction, which resists corrosion and improves heat transfer. The HvacRepairGuy basic units combine a single-stage 13.4 SEER2 air conditioner with a single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace and have a single-speed constant torque blower motor. They are backed by a good guarantee on the heat exchanger, but the warranty on the compressor is not as good as other brands, and the overall warranty does not include unit replacement in case of compressor or heat exchanger failure. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.